A domestic violence charge is serious and needs proper representation. You can beat a domestic violence charge in the state of New Jersey. If it's a false allegation, and there have been many over the course of my career where I've represented people and they've turned out to be false allegations. Domestic violence is a buzzword. We all know it. We've all heard it. It's serious. Hiring an experienced attorney to go through your case and figure out the defenses that you have in your particular situation is the first step in the process, and the most important step. A domestic violence charge is serious. Certainly, having a final restraining order issued against you is a very serious step in any process. If you were to be so unfortunate to have a final restraining order issued against you, it could have an effect on your job, it could have an effect on your ability to purchase and own a firearm, it could have an effect on your relationships and your family. It is a very serious allegation and has very serious consequences. If you've been accused of domestic violence or have a temporary restraining order pending, hiring an experienced domestic violence attorney is the first step, or should be the first step in the process, in an attempt to beat or to win your domestic violence case. Domestic violence cases a lot of times are he said, she said. There's a number of defenses in almost every domestic violence case. Having someone, an experienced attorney, on your side to go through your case with you, to figure out your defenses, to figure out what may or may not have happened, to figure out what you're being accused of, to get your side of the story, to talk about your case. Providing a defense or having an experienced criminal attorney, having me represent you to provide the defense, to appear before the judge and show a judge why this wasn't domestic violence or why the allegations are not true is a very important thing to have. Representing yourself or going in with an inexperienced attorney on a domestic violence case can have serious consequences. The issuance of a final restraining order. If it's in criminal court, an allegation of domestic violence, having a criminal conviction. So meeting someone, meeting me, and sitting down and having a conversation and going over your case and starting your defense from day one is very important and a necessary step in the process.